In my kitchen, me there. Welcome guys, back to Daddy D TV. Today, I'll be cooking some rice and peas and stew chicken. Yes. And I'll have some ripe plantain and avocado and fresh vegetable on the side. Yeah, so these are our plantain. This is the bad boy. Yeah, this avocado here. Yeah, as you can see, my peas is on the fire, almost cooked. So let me show you what's going on. Yeah, that's my peas pot there bubbling. Yep, my peas pot bubbling, almost cooked. So yeah, now I already chopped up my chicken and wash it in some vinegar. So now I'm gonna get it seasoned up. Yeah, so I'll show you what seasoning I'm using. I've got here, so I've got Portland jerk. Yeah man, originally from Portland, out of my parish. Yeah, so I'll be using some of this one on my stew chicken. Yeah man, Daddy D style. Yeah, and then some all-purpose as well. Don't want to use a lot because you know this season have loads of salt in it. So alright, let's get some garlic powder in it as well. Come on, don't forget to put garlic on it. Come on. It's not a lot in this. That's finished. So yeah. So after that, I'm gonna put a little of this thing on it. Yeah. I don't want a lot on it. Just a little. Soy sauce. Yeah. So now I'm gonna rub this in. Yeah, I'm gonna rub this in and leave it, let it marinate for a bit. Look just a bit more all-purpose on it. Yeah. All right. This should do it. This should do it. So yeah, guys. As I said, my peas almost cooked. Yeah. So as soon as it's finished cooked, I'm gonna add my coconut milk, my green pepper, scallion and thyme and thing, and season up my pot. Yeah, I mean, yeah man. And chicken seasoning. Yeah man, guys, in my kitchen with there. Yeah? Daddy D, and you're now watching Daddy D TV.
You pick up your palette knife and then work that into your meat. Give your meat a good old rub. That's it. Nice and hot. Hot and spicy meat.
Oh yes. Have a look at it, guys. Yeah. Have a look at it. That's my meat here. Finish seasoning, yeah. I don't put no scallion and thyme and onion and all them stuff on it yet. Right? So, just watch and see what I go on, yeah? Later on, you'll show me deal with the onion and scallion and the thyme and all them things. Daddy D style, yeah I mean? Alright, so I'm going to just cover up this and leave it, make it go on. Marinate. Yeah, bit. Welcome back, guys. So now as you can see, my oil is already hot, so now I'm going to get the chicken in there. Yeah, I'm going to fry it. Yeah, man. Daddy D style, yeah. So, watch where I'm going, guys. And guys, please don't forget, and when you like up this video, share this video with your friends and family members, and drop a comment in the comment section. Yeah? Yeah, man. We're around here, Daddy D, in the the kitchen with there. Anyways guys, let's watch and see what's going on, yeah? So yeah, meanwhile chicken are going to fry. Now get the rice washed and put it in the pot. Yeah, because I already seasoned up my peas pot, yeah? So I'm gonna add the rice to it in a minute. Okay, okay. So now I'm gonna get the rice. Yeah, man. In the pot. Yeah, man, that is the style, huh? Alright, I guess give it a stir around. Yeah man, that's good. That is good. See, it's not perfectly. So yeah guys, now that my rice is on the fire, steaming. Yeah, I don't want the fire too high underneath my rice because I don't want no burn rice around here. We don't do burn rice, you know what I mean? Yeah man. So turn down the heat a bit. So now my rice is on, my rice and peas is on, cooking nicely. My chicken is there frying as well. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna get my onion, my tomatoes, scallion, peppers and stuff, and scotch bonnet, all them things. I'm gonna get them things diced up. Yeah? So stay tuned and watch what go on. As you can see, I'm still doing my thing. So now the rice and peas is finished. Yeah, I'm gonna get this, take these time out of it now. One green pepper on top as well. That's the rice and peas finished. Done cook. So now I'm making my sauce over there in the pot for my stew chicken. So here I have some chopped onion. I've got some thyme that I'm gonna put in there. I've got some bell pepper chopped here, I got some ginger chopped, I got some garlic, I got some spring onion, and I got a little bit scotch bonnet here, a bad boy. But anyhow, I'm gonna add the chopped onion to my sauce. Yeah. Garlic and ginger, bell pepper. Yep. And then, oh, this is the scotch bonnet. I don't wanna. Alright, let me hold it with my finger. Yeah, then finally, spring onion. Yeah, man. That is the style, I mean. So I don't think I wanna put these bad boys in it. Let me taste. Let me have a taste first and see what's going on in this pot. Yeah, guys. This is the sauce. You know, this is my sauce for my stew chicken. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, he go on. He go on with himself. Yeah, man. Sauce so bad. That go on stay and simmer a bit until chicken finish frying. Well, this is the first set of fried chicken, guys. Yeah, this is the first set. So I'm just waiting. I'm just waiting on the next set to get it out of the pot. But let me have a look at this fish fry. Well, man. So let me give them a turn around. Stew chicken with rice and peas, yeah, and some fried plantain and fresh vegetable along with some avocado on the side. So that's the mats for today. So guys, what I want you guys to do for me, like, comment, share and subscribe. Yeah man, Daddy D in my kitchen with that. cooking up a storm, yeah? Rice finished. Get them out the pot. Once they fry, get them out the pot. And then I'm gonna get them in my sauce. Wow. This is nice. Yeah man, the sauce is what kids to do. Sauce is bad. The sauce bad. Yeah man. We're around here guys. In my kitchen, me there. Welcome back guys to Daddy D TV. As you can see, my stew chicken is finished. Give it a little stir. Have a look. Yeah, this is my stew chicken. Yeah man, Daddy D style. See? Sauce rich and nice. So that is finished. Now, I'm on to the plantains. I'm getting the plantain fry. Yeah, so let me give them a turn. So, this is my stew chicken. Yeah man. Yeah man, see, I hope you can see what's going on. Yeah man, Daddy B style, I'm telling you. Look at this. Oh yeah, I wish you could smell it guys. Hey, everything coming along nicely. Almost finished. So, what I've got left to do is just the vegetables. And remember guys to like, comment, share and subscribe. Yeah man. Alright, let me get out some of them stuff. This is one of my favorite Jamaican dish. Stewed chicken and rice and peas. Yeah. Put the plantain on the side and some fresh vegetables, yeah. And avocado. Yeah man. This little bad boy here later on. Yeah man, later on I'm gonna deal with the case. So I'm gonna dig into it now. Yeah. And see what's going on for it. This is what you want your stew chicken to look like. I mean, you don't want it white, you want it to have some color. Yeah man, Daddy D production, yeah? Yeah man, really nice.
Spicy meat. Yeah, boy. That's it. That lovely.
In my kitchen, me there.